I'm tired of suffering. I'm tired of suffering.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision, channel where we look at sports differently. Now, what's the latest on Dujuan, Whisper, Richards? Now, according to my sources, and I was reliably informed by football writer and Newcastle United under-21 reporter, that there was a match on Monday with under-21. They played Leeds United. Prior to that game, I was told that Whisper had a chance to play in that under-21 game against Leeds. Sadly, it was only a watching brief for Whisper. Whisper did not make that under-21 team that faced Leeds. He wasn't even on the bench. So, what do you guys think about this situation?
Oh God, I feel it to my heart.
Had a chance to play and did not play. You can look at the squad here. Okay, looking at this squad, the number 9, Parkinson, did well. He was making his debut for the under-21 team. He played previously for under-15, but first time at this level, at under-21. And importantly, the key player in this squad is the number 7, Amadou Diallo. He was on trial last year and was successful. He did well and he's in the under-21 team. He played last October for the under-21, made his debut in October, and he's still in the team. So by this logic, you would expect that at some point, if Whisper did well enough, he would be in the under-21 as well. This is the first game after the trial and he's not in the team, so I'm gonna let you guys think about this, just giving you the facts. Do you think that Whisper did enough to gain entry into this under-21 team, or it's too early and we need to wait some more time? It's up to you. Giving you the facts. And again, Diallo did well in his trial and he's in the under-21 team. Can we use this Diallo situation as an example? Who knows? Again, according to sources, Newcastle is very tight-lipped about this whole Whisper situation. We heard from the coach prior to Whisper's arrival in Newcastle that he knew nothing about Whisper coming for the trial. So, very tight-lipped at Newcastle. So we are left to wonder, is it the end for Whisper? There was no place in the matchday squad on Monday night for the Phoenix All-Star Academy prospect, with the Magpies previously starting Amadou Diallo during his trial before he signed for the club in October. However, Richards was given a watching brief on this occasion as he took his place in the stand at Whitley Park to support his current teammates. Whisper had shared photos and video clips of himself decked out in Newcastle training gear and being put through the paces at Benton training base over the last week. The Jamaican forward scored more than 30 goals at the schoolboy level for Kingston College and recently earned his first senior call-up to train with the national side last month. Is it the end for Whisper at Newcastle? Is the dream over? I want you guys to tell me what you think in the comment section below. Is it over for Whisper at Newcastle? I really want to know. Again, it doesn't look good. By all reports, he did pretty well, but only the best is good enough, and we're yet to find out if what Whisper did during that trial was enough to get him into this team. Again, he missed the under-21 game on Monday against Leeds, but we're still hoping. So So again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Eddie Vision. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.